to the factory where thousands of Divine Mercy Jesus statues are manufactured every month, crafted by skilled artisans with faith and precision. Master sculptors work in shifts to create the original clay model. Every detail of the Divine Mercy image must be perfect before mass production begins. Industrial 3D printers produce test prototypes, allowing engineers to verify proportions before committing to full mold production. Industrial-grade platinum silicone rubber is used for the production molds free. This material captures every microscopic detail of the master sculpture. The casting department runs 3 shifts daily, mixing special alabaster resin formulas that give these statues their luminous white appearance. After curing, the demolding team carefully extracts each Divine Mercy statue. This moment reveals whether the casting was successful. The painting department is the heart of the factory. Here, trained artists transform raw white castings into sacred devotional images. Each painter specializes in specific elements. Some focus on facial features, others on garments, and specialized teams handle the signature rays. rays are the most distinctive feature of Divine Mercy, red representing the blood of Christ, pale blue representing the water from his side. Specialist hand painters focus exclusively on the blessing gesture and pointing handers. These sacred gestures must be anatomically perfect. Every statue passes through a rigorous quality control process, checking facial expression, ray colors, hand positions, and overall finish before approval. A specialized UV-resistant varnish protects the painted surface tube, ensuring these devotional images maintain their beauty for generations.
Ingete ite tate dingdi noga nita nang usile ikka todte tawe. Ina mandare dingchi to
Before packaging, every single Divine Mercy statue receives a final visual inspection by senior quality staff. Custom packaging with Divine Mercy graphics protects each statue during shipping to Catholic stores, parishes, and homes across North America.
Pallet secured.
Looks good, move it in.
Load the next one on the left.
This factory ships over 6,000 Divine Mercy statues monthly to Catholic retailers, parishes, monasteries, and devotional shops across the Americas. Let's take a closer look at the finished product that emerges from this remarkable factory.
From raw resin to sacred image firing, the Divine Mercy statue passes through 40 skilled hands before reaching the faithful.
Notice the intricate details on this 36-inch version.
It's stunning. Do you have a brochure with specifications?
The premium collection features genuine gold leaf applied by hand to the rays, a luxury devotional product for churches and serious collectors.
sana migeli kutte magapumani sana.
Many of the factory's artisans are themselves devoted to divine mercy. Their faith infuses every statue they create.
Start here with a smooth, even stroke.
Okay, like this?
Perfect. Now try the blue on the other side.
Thousands of Divine Mercy statues leave this factory each month, each one destined to bring Christ's message of mercy to home.
What nation Ida?
Every Divine Mercy statue that leaves this factory carries with it the prayers of the artisans who crafted it, and the promise of Christ's boundless mercy. From this factory, the image of Divine Mercy reaches millions, spreading the message that Jesus, I trust in you to every corner of the world. Jesus, I trust in you. Each statue handcrafted with faith, devotion, and the prayer that Divine Mercy reaches all who seek it.